Okay, that's words. What's this one?
Yeah, the
Oh, I get another one. There's nowhere to sit. Oh, I get table. Speak. What could this be? What could this be?
Don't care.
Oh, that's for Uncle Warren. That's for Uncle Warren.
No more care.
Put her in.
I'll help you. I'll help you, Mom.
Oh, maybe. Help me, Kara. I might need those scissors. Hang on, guys. Hang on. Stop. Watch. Sharp scissors.
Sharp. Well, the hazelnut crack open.
Whoa, a walk. Didn't expect that one. I didn't think I was going to get a walk. Thank you, honey. Oh, it's a heavy sucker. Woo! Feel that. Feel how heavy that is. Wow, so if you're out of line, I like it. I should milk. Awesome. Holy,
Whoops.
awesome.
That
That is totally awesome. Boy, oh boy, you said you only got me 3 presents. Wait,
2 so far. 3,
4, 5.
5.
5 presents. And a new Thomas, no, is it? Yeah, Thomas Kincaid. Look it. Oh, you want to help Kara with the Barbie? 2014.
Hey, that's my 2014 holiday.
This is my 2014 calendar. My favorite.
And Dad, after that, can you help me get this holiday Barbie outside? Next up is the 2014 holiday Barbie.
Kara, we're going to have to do some photo album projects. That's for Teresa. Kara, what's this one? It says to Connie, Jason, and family. Oh, Kara, there's your Barbie. Daddy's got it.
One.
Do you get 2? Do you get a little girl?
Yeah.
Oh boy.
What a lucky girl.
That's cool.
Where's my Jason?
Look at all this stuff you got, Kara. Look at that. Okay, I'm opening the one from Teresa to our whole family. It's another photo album. Awesome. You know how important those are. Awesome. For Mom. And what is this one?
Dad.
Oh, this is my birthday present. Auntie Teresa, I'll open this later.
You get lots of things.
So did you.
Look at all your stuff.
Look at all that
got
stuff.
3, Mom got 5, and you got like 100.
Here's,
Huh. I cracked
Well,
it
that's
so
your
hard
main
that I,
gift.
that I hurt myself.
they are Henkels. Henkels.
Ow. I
Wow,
pressed so
gorgeous.
hard on that that I
Yeah. Your glow stick. Over.
Mommy?
I think I put it over here, Kara, because you want.
There's
You
one
don't
over
want to
here.
start it now. Why don't you wait until dark?
Oh,
Why don't you wait till dark time? Because it won't last
might
until.
need a
boy.
Band-Aid. Ow.
I'm glad you didn't cry. I wish you would maybe put the nuts away for a bit and she could have something else. Have a banana or a yogurt, guys.
You also got those oranges.
Or an orange, yeah.
I'm having one orange.
Thank you, Kara.